So what do you understand? What is your idea of Salesforce so that I can start from that point?
Actually, we have
no idea. You can start from the scratch.
basic. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
start from the basic.
Yeah. Okay. Before you start, I have two questions. I'll not ask many questions. Any idea of CRM?
Sorry.
CRM. Don't say
No.
just general terms, not just for Salesforce. It's not like Salesforce is not a rocket science. I want to make it simple. That's the reason I'm asking questions.
Yeah.
So any idea of CRM?
No.
We are part of
Actually,
the
have done.
CRM. We are part of the CRM. Okay. If you open the email, you'll get a lot of email campaigns, emails like offers or something like that, advertisement emails.
Okay.
Yeah, when you visit a shopping mall, you'll receive a pamphlet of some new product or new advertisement. Okay, and daily you'll get invitations for a new webinar on new product launching or new service. Yes or no?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So what are they? They are part of the promotions. So what are promotions? They are just marketing activities. Okay. So
Okay.
the CRM is already part of it. Unknowingly we are using it. Okay. So just let me give the background of it. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Okay. So before the computers came into our life, every business has used to maintain their records like customer details or the product details or purchases, everything they used to maintain in the form of a large volume of the books. And once they got the books computers, what they did, they completely digitalized the complete information. What are the information that present that has been digitalized into the computers. Even then it involves a lot of manual work in the sense everything need to be done manually. If you want to update the Excel, we need to do manually, and if you want to send an email, we need to sit and send emails to everyone. So to overcome these type of problems, there is a requirement for a tool, okay, CRM tool. So then the requirement for CRM tool came into picture, and using the concept of CRM, there are many tools in the market, out of which Salesforce is one such tool.
Okay.
Okay. So Salesforce is already using the existing CRM principles to create the own CRM tool. Okay. We have many tools in the market. We have MS Dynamics, Salesforce, we have Zoho, Sugar. There are like many tools, but the Salesforce has a good UI and easily integrate with other products. So it has what to say, good advantage over the other tools. Okay. So before going deep into the Salesforce, any idea of what you mean by cloud computing?
Cloud means you have to say anything data on their internet, and you can access your
So fine. Yeah. What are the types of services provided by the cloud-based companies? There are different cloud-based companies. They provide different solutions. Okay. Any idea of something like a software as a service, platform as a service?
No. Sorry, we don't have any. Yeah.
Okay. SaaS, there are three types of services. Okay. One is a
I think you got talking about SaaS, PAAS.
yes.
I did.
So tell me what you mean by SaaS?
I did 2 years ago. Yeah.
Okay. SaaS means software as a service. Okay. PaaS means platform as a service. IAAS means infrastructure as a service.
Yeah.
So software as a service means the companies will the companies will provide readily available softwares. Okay, we don't need to install anything, you can directly use them. For example, if some years back, for using MS Office, we need to install the MS Office in our system, but now we can use the MS Office from directly from the Google by using Office 365. Correct?
Yep.
Yeah. So classic example of SaaS. And PaaS means you can use the existing platform to create your own customize applications. Okay, for example, Facebook ad pages where you can give a post or ad, or GoDaddy.com. Okay, it is a hosting website using the using GoDaddy.com. We can create our own web applications. Okay, this is a PAAS.
Okay.
And then we have something called IaaS. The IaaS means infrastructure as service, where it provides private instances and private databases, like example of AWS and Azure. Okay, and coming to Salesforce, it provides SaaS and PaaS service. I mean, software as a service and platform as a service. So here you can create your own applications, or else we can use the existing application, that is a software as a service and platform as a service. Okay. So till this point, any question do you have?
Not yet. Thank you.
Okay, fine then. And coming to Salesforce is a broad-based company. They have solutions for many problems, out of which CRM is one. Apart from CRM, they have solutions for CPQ, and even they have solutions for IoT cloud, health cloud, etc. Okay, yeah. So this is my developer instance. As I said, it's a cloud-based tool. We can directly access it from the website. So I will guide you to how to create the developer account. Okay. So
Okay.
till this point, any question from anyone? Let me know.
No.
Yeah. So this is the UI part. In Salesforce, you have two types of UI. One is a classic UI, another one is a lightning UI. So before 2014, we have only one UI, that is known as a classic UI. Okay. And after 2014, they introduced something called lightning UI experience. There is a different UI. Okay. So our
Okay.
session will discuss both classic and lightning, and some companies are still using classic and some companies are moving towards the lightning. Okay, so coming back to the lightning experience. Okay, sorry, classic.
Classic. Okay.
Yeah, first let me discuss about the classic. Okay, this is the classic UI. Okay, if you go to the all tabs, okay, and go to the app launcher.
Okay. App launcher.
Okay, these are the different types of applications provided by the Salesforce by default. Okay, marketing app, sales app, service app, and some applications I myself added it or installed it. Okay, so if you
Sorry.
go to some other
Mm.
applications like
Yeah,
CPQ,
all right, yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
these applications I have installed, I have created, developed. Okay, as I said, it's a both SaaS and PaaS. I mean, you can use it will provide a software, and also you can create your own software. Okay, okay. When you go to the one by one app, for example, if we go to the marketing app, so just a marketing app generally used by the marketing people to create the campaigns. Campaigns are nothing but the marketing activities, and to generate the leads. Leads are nothing but the potential customer. Okay, and then we have something called a sales app. So generally used by the sales people to to manage the products or contracts, orders, etc. Okay, and then we
Okay.
have something called, yeah. Any question?
No.
Yeah, and we have something called service app. Service app is especially used for case management. So whenever the customers face an issue, they'll raise a case, and we need to provide solution for the case. That is a part of the service app. Okay, and
Like
then
how
yeah,
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 feedback, it's kind of
just
feedback.
like feedback.
not
They get,
feedback, even
they
complaint
have to
also.
yeah.
Any
Okay.
issue, if you have any issue, you can raise a case.
All right. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. And then if you go to the app launcher, okay, there are other apps. Okay, now go to the lightning. It's the latest UA. This is the app launcher. Click on your. the sales app, sales console. Okay. So these are the apps in the Lightning experience. Okay. What are the
Okay.
apps that are present in the Classic that will be present in Lightning? And apart from there will be some additional apps or console apps. Okay. So
Okay.
the functionality wise they are same, but only the UA thing only difference. Okay. So I opened the sales app and console app. You can just to show you the difference. If you see the sales app, normal app, you can see the tabs in a horizontal way, one beside other. Okay, and if you go to
Yeah.
the console app, you can see the applications one above the other. That is console navigation. Okay, sir. And apart from that, there are other differences like if you go to this tab, open any tab, and click on new, it will open a sub page. And if you go to this same thing, if you do the same thing here in console application, console navigation, you can if you
Yeah.
click on new, it will open a new page. And again, if you click on new, again it will open a new page. Okay, so what I mean to say is console navigation, we can work on multiple pages at once, sir. And in normal standard navigation, we can work on only a single page. Okay, so that's the difference between console navigation and the normal navigation, standard navigation. Okay, and one more difference between the Classic and Lightning is in Classic we have only one type of setup. One, please show you the Classic view. We have only one setup, but if you go to the Lightning, we have two things. One is a setup and service setup. Okay, sir. Yeah. Any other questions till now? Hello. Hello, sir. Any questions till now? Hello. Any questions, sir? Sorry. Yeah. It has been disconnected and connected again. I'm asking any questions from anyone.
No. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So coming to course content, I will share the course content. I'll show you the course content. This is the course content. So initially we'll discuss about the cloud computing concepts, and then we'll discuss about some CRM concepts like CRM technologies. Then I'll help you with creating the developer account, and I'll give you the overview of the Salesforce for other products, and then I'll start with the admin part. Okay, creating an object, creating the application, and creating data validation, formula fields, page layouts, relationships, and business process automation. This is important, and security and data visibility, data management, sales cloud implementation, service cloud implementation, community cloud that has been changed into experience cloud, and then we have territory management, and finally we'll end up with the analytics. Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about the course content. Okay. And as of now, the timings, available timings is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and I can cut on even on the weekends also. Okay. Ideally, it will take around 35 days. Okay. 30 to 35 days. Ideally.
Okay.
So that is 1 hour training every day.
Yes, sir, 1 hour training per day. And what are the things I provide you apart from training? It's daily videos and the content for the whole admin part. And I can provide you with the interview questions or resume formats. Or if you're preparing, planning for any certification, I can help you with the getting the dump and passing the exam.
Okay, so during the training,
Yeah.
is it good that if you can explain the interview questions also? For example, if you are explaining them profile and the role, for example,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So what are the difference between the roles and profiles?
Yes,
What sort of
different.
question can be asked?
Yes, that also can be covered. But during class, I'll completely focus on the concept. Once the concept
Yep.
is completed, then I'll give you overview of the expected interview questions.
Yes, yeah, based on that particular topic, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And any more questions? My sessions, my style of training is completely practical. So 90% is the practical part. Okay, because I've been working in the Salesforce or different types of projects. So I will share my experiences with how the requirements can come and the projects may come. Okay. Yeah.
Yep.
So any questions from your
Okay,
side, I
cool.
welcome.
Yeah, sure. Okay. And when you come to that automation processes like workflow rules and process builders, and so you have in-depth knowledge for the flows.
Yes, flows I have the knowledge, and I'll share the real-time requirements. Okay, I will flows I'll take at least 6 days of time because I'll take in depth how to create the flow and everything.
Yeah, because flows are sort of overcoming the programming because there is a lot of logic that you can add and all that.
Yes.
So I really want the flows to be the hot topic here.
Yes,
And
flows only will take more time. I'll get the new requirements also. I'll give some creating an application. I will show you some from to end to end.
yeah, sure. Okay, cool. So I think training demo was good, but I'll again definitely touch base with my team, and then we'll get back to Lucky, I think. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Okay, and we'll share the dates also when we want to start. Yeah.
Yeah, fine then.
Cool.
Thank you, Service. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.